Hey guys, want to just go continue my EPCM integrated website portal discussion and demo. Obviously, I've done a showcase where I've shown you a lot of the features on it, specifically some of the engineering deliverable management, the integration to update an ID, update a percent complete, the ability of jumping into Jira to actually see perhaps a more detailed granularity into your tasks, actually get into some agile management concepts. However, I want to maybe close this whole series up in terms of reports. And this is really my view of a way we can manage reports in an interesting way. And I just click the link, weekly project controls reports. You can do it for monthly reports. You can do it for daily site reports. I've just done an example for a weekly contract report. And it's a blog. I, I can't stress how simple, how cool, how easy this is to actually get user-generated content that means something, that has context, and actually how we do our job. Every week, people are sending out emails with updates of percent completes, some narrative of what key activities people are working on, the percent completes. Oh, some activities have slipped. Here's something, oh, it slipped another week, but still over a month to float. These are exactly the type of emails that we write, or even reports that we write on a weekly basis. Well, just make it a blog. Put some key tags on it. So this is going to be contract one, and I can look at everybody's contracts and see what everybody else is writing on a weekly basis. And this is actually just WordPress. I can go hit edit. This is actually going to go put me directly into an edit mode. Everybody on your project can create and edit a WordPress blog. It's effectively a Word file in small, maybe a little harder to use than a Word file, but the concepts are exactly correct. You could just type anything you want. You just do a screen print and you can paste in an image. If you want to have a file, if you want to upload a PDF of a schedule, even the native Excel file, PDF of some S-curves. If you're actually doing a cost summary and you actually want to upload the detailed cost buildup for a particular contract, you could do that as well. And this could be part of your file storage. Now, if you did that, you'd want a little bit of security so that those particular posts couldn't be accessed. But that's the idea. That's where you want to go. And when you do that, you now have content that someone's created. You can go distribute it and you can view it. If I'm a project controls manager, I don't want to necessarily see 8, 10, 20 emails every week from various people. I want them just to, post it on a website. And I want to be able to click it and just see what they did. Not only that, but now everybody on your project can actually see what other people are doing. And it's like, oh, hey, maybe I can take a screen print of that. I've got that dashboard. Obviously, this is my go-to dashboard. If you haven't realized already, I've got a series on how we actually use and create this dashboard. I think they're great. But nonetheless, this concept of having an integrated EPCM website, really diving into having user-generated content where people can actually edit information live on your platform, integrated blogs for reporting, and I guess I just have to finish out the whole series on Twitter because, yeah, I've got this little link down here on Twitter because I've used this example quite a lot and I love it. Hit Twitter and boom, here we go. This is one of my favorite posts. This was a bridge that I was working for Samsung at the time. This bridge was in England. I'm on the other side of the world, but yet I'm responsible for what's going on in that job. And fortunately enough, that project was posting daily pictures on Twitter. Here we go. Last cable stay installed, July 25th. I saw that live when this was posted, and I could walk into the vice president's office and actually tell him that, hey, we finished that, and I happen to know what the contract date was, at least what in our original contract schedule for this work was. Again, exactly where you want to be going and how you just integrate everything into an interesting website. So yeah, hopefully you guys get some good ideas for what you can do, or at least maybe some ideas of what's possible. Being able to just quickly drill into everything. This is not a Power BI world. This is not visualizations, and some of this is actually not complexity at all. This is easy. So yeah, definitely. I think this might be the last video on this particular example. Might do some others on maybe some back-end data. Not quite sure, but we'll see. If you like them, subscribe, and definitely follow all my posts on LinkedIn. And yeah, thanks a lot, guys. See you. Bye.